Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing Dolls Gone Goth, co-hosted with Dory's Dollies. The idea is to show something black that you have made for your dolls. Maybe an outfit or a prop, something like that. I wanted to show this girl off again. I did this collab quite some time ago. Oh no. Oh yeah, it goes like this. See, so long ago I forgot. Her tail that Darren made clips on around her waist. I'll show you that. This was a collab I did with, her beads are caught under her little kitty cat laptop holder. Let me pull them out slow. Okay, that we did a cat, you know, take a Blythe doll and do something cat. And everybody did something different. And I will link that collab in, and you can go see those if you like. I took a Basque, which is the cheap Blythe dolls from AliExpress. They were at the time less than $10. And let me show you her eyes. This is Kat Von Blythe, if you know, oh, what is her name? Kat Von D.
Kat Von D.
Oh, yeah, the tattoo artist. Yeah. And she has little kitties on her eyelids. And I don't have strength in my wrist to pull these fast, so it'll take me a second. I did see the little cats in her eyes. I did these cat themed eyes. Of course, I left the blue. Darren had to drill out these eye chips. Oh boy, that's hard on my wrist. There we go.
I had to get a mill.
I also left
was exactly the dimension.
Yeah, to get them out. Yeah, and we were going to do a video on that, and we just haven't gotten that far yet. I did green and blue because cats have those. But my favorite, oh, I can't pull it. Wait a minute. I can't. Ah! These do not click like a Kenner. You know what? I just can't do it. I'm not going to injure my wrist. But I gave her, you know, little eyebrows and little cat eyes and the little beauty mark. Made her the little cat suit. I used the Basque mostly because I wanted the little, more like, what is the Batman Catgirl outfit?
Catwoman?
Catwoman, that's it. Catgirl? Yeah, whatever. Gave her a little bell at the collar. Darren made the little headband and the stand. And what I really love was the tail he did. See how he did it so that it clips on around the waist so that it comes off and on easily. While I made this a while ago, I know a lot of you hadn't seen it, so I wanted to show it again. Thank you so much for watching. And if you joined in Dolls Gone Goth today, please let Dory and I both know. Let everybody know in their comments so they can come watch your video too. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
This is still one of my favorites.
Thank
really
you. Oh, I was going to show, wait. Let me set this down. Ah, my wrist. I have it unwrapped and oh, I thought I had doggone it. I got that in there. Darren made little laptops that fit inside these bags. Why isn't one in there? Anyway,
probably took it for something else.
Probably did.